Poppy and the rest.
How old am I?
Yeah.
I'm over 50.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so we have a donation scheme, and it's basically based on age. So, depending on how old you are, because we
Right.
basically had too many young kids, really, and we realized it was kind of like we couldn't ask them for their allowance. That was kind of unfair. So the strategy was to get guys who had jobs. So we were
Right.
trying to recruit heavily in the over 50s and 60s, but I'm glad we got a young
Right.
one like you. So,
Right.
yeah, when you're over 50,
Right.
the entrance fee is actually $50. And it's purely at your own discretion.
Right. Right.
Right.
Yeah, he already paid.
Oh,
Right.
that's good.
Did you
Oh, really?
did you read the new forum post about the American discount?
No.
Yeah, you might want to go to that.
Yeah.
And review that.
Yeah. What can I say?
Hold on one sec here. I gotta give. Fives is in the front door.
God, I haven't seen fives in a long time.
Okay. Sorry, I'm just checking my email here. Okay, are we, what are we, because this is my last battle.
XJ, you gonna time in with
User joined your channel.
Yep. We are ready. Tier 3?
What tier? What tier?
Let's do
Three.
tier 9.
9?
9?
Oh, Massive wants to run his knee.
Yeah, he just ran his knee against us.
Okay, so you know what, you win, so you get the pick. Okay.
Let's
What are we
do tier
doing?
9. Let's do tier 9.
You're 9, so we'll do some happy stomping.
All right.
I spent an hour and 10 minutes this morning trying to manipulate the Thunderstorm logo to put it in my Blitz forum profile. And the fact that it's a GIF that the tank moves around in, I wanted to jump off a bridge because I don't have much graphics design problem. I mean, experience.
Well, all you need to do is go to your signature, and there's a direct link option, and that link that we have, just put that link in there, and it'll pull.
No, but I'm not the commander. I was taking out commander and putting in soldier.
No, look on our forum, and there's a link for the soldier one.
Oh, cool.
Yep, and you just have to copy and paste the link.
Yeah.
Okay, what are we doing?
There's a $5 fee though for any of the
right.
Yeah. Right.
Tier 9. Count it down when you're ready, our guest.
Mastiff, you ready?
Sorry, no, I was just coughing and begging. Sorry. Yeah, go on.
Okay, you're good. XJ.
Yeah.
5s.
Yep.
5s is quiet, so I don't know.
Yeah, 5.
Okay, tier 9.
I mean, so much more alive.
Tier 9.
All
I'm
right.
on the battle button. Ready.
3, 2, 1, battle.
You know, Mastiff, I spent some time in Canada.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, poor 5s.
Yeah, 4, 5. Well, 4 of us ended up.
I know, but you
in a
unfortunately
game.
spent.
I'm by myself.
Yep, you're by yourself. We're all in a battle.
Against me.
Are you guys all fighting each other?
No, I'm on Canuck and XJ's team.
Oh, good.
Yeah, we'll see. They got an extra tier 10.
In Toronto, by the way. It's kind of like saying like you've lived in the States because you lived in North Dakota.
Yeah, but see, I guarantee you, you've never been to Churchill, Manitoba.
I don't know. I did go across Canada once on a Greyhound bus.
Churchill is on the tip of the Hudson Bay.
Okay, no, most definitely did not get up to Hudson Bay.
And it's where the lowest
game.
polar bear population in the world resides.
Yeah, you guys know.
Oop, I'm getting shot.
Good job. Ooh.
E100.
Who's sitting over there? The E100 stayed?
E100 T95
Microphone
over
activated.
Not for there. Okay, that's a problem. Okay, I've got Patton and IS-7 on my butt.
Yep.
What? I just lost half my health. For what?
Come on, E4. You gotta hit something.
What? I'm about to die, guys.
You
Oh
Sorry.
yeah, those fives beating you
can't
back there?
you can't do that.
He shot 2 rounds into me and I missed twice, so.
Well, that's okay, because we're about to die, because we've been fighting 2 tier 10s over here by ourselves.
Ow.
Be nice, fives.
Ow.
Nice job, fives.
Oh, and I bounce. Lame.
I had fives, but I hit 2 shots into his
Side
frack.
scraping and an M46
Huh?
patent.
Take a get. Yeah. Go away.
That's more like the fives I remember.
Who's yelling at who?
That's fives. We're yelling at his sister.
Meanwhile, we have 3 guys on an E100 at the bridge that did nothing.
Well, the IS-3 can't.
All right, good job. Turn him for me.
IS-3.
Oh no! No! No!
And he misses. Oh.
This one's going to cost me some credits. I shot too much.
It happens.
Oh!
Oh, I
Went
made
into a
profit.
spam and heat.
I'm sorry.
I did exactly 1600 damage.
Sorry about the yell there.
No, you're fine.
Because I have exactly 1,600 health.
Yep. Nice job, fives.
I do not
Well,
like
and
it
that's
when you...
those
Oh, good job.
IS-7s didn't deserve to win either.
Oh no, don't put your
Lou
side
100
to
was a good
him.
player.
Yeah, the E100 was a good player. Yeah, well, he held 3 of our team there at the bridge, allowing
you
us
guys
to
done?
get overrun.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, we just finished.
All right, fives, you get to pick the tier.
Whatever.
And,
Up to you.
and because I'm with my clan, I'm gonna play one more and work later. So
Mm. Nope, fives, you
Okay.
got to pick.
Alright, we'll run 9 again.
9.
Yeah.
okay, who's tell us when to put our finger on the button? Hello?
You guys
Right,
ready?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1, battle.
I got
All
Arg.
right. I'm fighting against
Nobody.
Arg and Arc. And that's
Say that-
special.
Say that 3 times fast.
I don't like fighting against you, Argus.
Let's head up, Mastiff,
Okay.
since we're here.
I don't know if I like this timing thing.
It happens.
Good
It'll
practice.
end up being.
Oh, there you go. Killed that thing last.
Need a hold.
How did I know you were
Now,
there?
why don't you just keep pulling in front of me like that? Really special thing to do.
All right, 1 IS-8.
Oh, brother.
Arg, shall we go get Poppy?
Huh?
Go get Poppy.
I'll make sure the leopard didn't flank.
All right, they're all here.
Oh, is the professor going up against me too? Isn't that
No.
special? Thank you very much. That's oh, look at you guys, a bunch of nice, fast mediums.
Guys, you guys got a whole little.
Oh,
They're
yeah,
all
there
looking
we
at
go.
me, Master.
What?
He said they're all looking at me.
I'm taking shots. Looking at it.
I just got rocked again. I'm not playing
Watch
smart.
out. Arc.
Oh,
Oh jeez, there's a T-28 right over there too.
Leopards up on our left,
yeah, I see him up there.
the hill. PS3's trying to get it, but he's got crap gun depression.
They got two camping over by the.
1-2 pop on copy. Down quick.
Watch out, we got someone on our rear. Yep, there goes my lag. And there's that.
I'm pretty much stuck here, Mastiff. There's a Jag 88 that can take me.
And I got bumped into this. Not special. I was going to go down the hill, and there's somebody right sitting behind me to block
In
me.
fact, he's rushing me right now.
Crap.
Oh. I just had a lag spike.
That hurt. Oh yeah. Hey, leopard. Go
We're
ahead.
not gone.
Oh,
Oh, crap. Didn't get the shot.
that was you.
I think we lose.
You got that 88 coming at you. Watch your rear.
Gentlemen, it's been a pleasure, but I need to
Yep,
get back
see
to
ya,
work
Poppy.
for a little while.
Take
Hey,
care,
have a
Poppy.
good one.
You too.
Thanks
Poppy.
again, Argast.
Thanks again.
And Mastiff, I'm going to go to the forum and see if I can find that guideline for giving.
Okay, no problem. You'll see that it's in bold, so you don't
Yeah.
need glasses
Yep.
either.
Well, I appreciate that very much. I'll read that over, and then I'll send you a PM, okay?
That sounds great.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
User disconnected from your channel.
Hey, RTDs showed up. After driving through the hinterland. Come
Kill
on,
the
IS, you got it.
mediums first. Oh my god, how could you miss that shot, IS-7? Seriously?
It's pretty much all you, Mastiff.
I don't like that.
Oh my god.
Back up, keep backing up, so you can use that hill there and block the Jag 88. Yep.
Leopard got
Now
out.
forward.
Okay.
Where that went.
I put out so many rounds.
Yeah, you probably had a heck of a game. I got pinned early.
We had that.
Yep, T-44. Hey, the Su-152. Zippo.
Yeah, it's over. We lost.
Yeah, because they
Wow.
don't listen.
Well, we had
Getting off.
all of
Catch
our
y'all later.
TEDs screaming to go
User
valley.
disconnected from your channel.
So they go valley and there's only one bad guy down there. So there that went. But good game, Massive.
Thanks.
Did better than I did. Did you win Argast?
No, we lost. Leopard on the other side was pretty good. We had 3 heavies that did crap.
I think I need a little Atsu.
Tier 3? Back to
Mhm.
3? Can you get your mojo back?
Exactly.
Hey, Snowy.
Always left it? What game are you
Snowy's watching us.
in? Oh, hi, Snowy.
She asks how it's going.
Is
Going
everybody ready?
Yep, tier 3.
Yep, whoever's counting down.
Hold on one sec. Commander Tigley's going to join us.
User was moved to your channel.
Hello, sir.
Hey, Tiglet. Are we ready to go?
We're going to
Tigley.
jump tier 3. Tigley, if you want to join in.
Alright. One time in. Yep.
3, 2, 1, battle.
Not with any of you.
Okay. You reckon we could get away with being really cheeky?
Hey, Jerry Sniper 1, how's it going?
Who's Jerry Sniper 1?
Somebody else watching.
Oh, hello.
Get out of the way, T-15. And okay, it's gonna be one of those games.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we can get cheeky.
He is going to follow me everywhere and sit right behind me.
Who is?
This T-15. Now he's gonna run into you. Maybe I got rid of him. You just get right in front of you too.
Yep.
Good stuff.
Okay, but is it on? Tell me if I'm Tell me if I
Good.
echo.
Get that T-82 first if you can, Mastiff.
Can't get a shot at the moment. Right. There we go.
Well, that one works too for now. I'm just mostly worried about those two. T-46 and the 18. Alright, somebody else move up.
Are you guys playing keys?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, you kill stealer.
What?
Oh, now you get in my way.
Oh,
Talk about kill stealing.
I just watched an A-20 just fall off the bridge in Canal and take about 400 of its health away.
Wow.
That was awesome. Really, M3? I do all the damage and you get the kill? Oh.
I love this little tank.
Well, this would be a good one for me to get my bingo chip of platoon mate kill everything.
Mm-hmm. Again.
Feed me, feed me, feed me. Anybody else want to go 3 with us?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We're ready. We'll take on all comers.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, battle.
Man, y'all are already done?
Yeah.
What do you think about my donation ideas?
I think you're gonna scare
No?
everybody away.
No, I see it in a friendly way.
No, Tigley. Got somebody from Asylum.
Yeah, no, I'm in a tier 4 match.
Yep, let's do. Against platoon of Hetzers. This is where this tank does not shine.
Nope.
What, against Hetzers?
Yep.
I just faced a Matilda. That wasn't
I've
very
killed
good.
2 Hetzers so far in the keying.
You can do it, but if they're decent players, which is usually not
I
likely.
know. You just got a clutch.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be back. I gotta go grab some dinner, but I'll be back in about 20 minutes.
Alright, see you, our guest.
Take it easy.
User disconnected from your channel.
I don't know if I've ever been on this side of this map yet. Apparently nobody else has been over here either.
Let's start recording YouTube right now.
Well, that ruined his day. Ooh,
Ow.
who popped you? That was a Hetzer, wasn't it? No, not quite.
Whoa, I just got spotted. Was it a T40 or?
Yep. Which means they should all be behind us just shortly.
No, 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 no.
Yikes. M3 Lee coming around. Ouch.
Oh crap, T82.
I need some help, Master.
I'm coming. Where are you?
I'm dead.
Man, that freaking tank just rolled and play shots on it for me.
Why? I don't know why he didn't kill me.
I put in quite a few rounds.
Well, but I was one shot left for that T-46, and I have no idea why he didn't kill me. Woo! Oh, and somebody takes that Hetzer. Good game.
Crap, it's just me and a Matilda
Yeah, that sucks.
against 3 other tier 8s. Oh, nope, nope, I'm about to die.
Look at that.
Yep, oh, I'm right for the killing. Okay.
Nice game, XJ.
Okay. Nope, not gonna survive.
Oh, I'll do another ending tier, by the way, so never mind.
Yep, it's all to the Matilda now.
Want to try it again?
Sure, one more time. Oop. Tiggly, did you want to get in?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, battle.
Nope.
I think this is my favorite map with this tank.
I haven't been on it. Too bad yet.
Yeah, except when I get stuck way down at the bottom of the hill.
Were you following the news today? What was the clause that the French invoked? Do you remember?
I have no idea. I didn't see it.
Okay. They invoked some kind of clause in Europe. It was to do with the...
Oh, well, there's the clause that allows them the whole closing of the border thing.
Yeah, but they're also calling on, basically asking for all conceivable help on the, clause, whatever.
No, probably in the NATO treaty, I'd assume.
Yeah, but isn't the States involved in that though as well?
Well, there would be.
If the states are involved, then it's NATO. If it's just the EU, then it's the
Let's
European
get
Union.
this 2-pounder. Don't come over the hill. The T-82's popping shots at everyone.
And if it's NATO, then Canada should be involved.
Yeah, I'm curious, but I know we've pulled back.
Holy cow! What did our team do?
Fighters, but we've sent, I think, 70 special forces trainers or something.
Where did our team go?
Bounced off an Electo with T127. Fun time.
You can get that other knee down there. Come on, reload. I already double tapped it. Because I'd assume that 82 will be coming up to shoot us in a second. Yep, there they are. Hold on. Alright, well, gotta go, so.
No! Thanks. Did you put a shot into?
Oh well, we're the only ones on the server right now.
Come on, Mastiff, where are you? Get him, get him, get him! Don't do it! Oh, Mastiff!
Sorry. It was still a pretty good comeback. Pretty good scores for us, the two of us.
Yeah. Alright, what's next?
You pick.
Tiggly, you want to pick something?
No,
Pick
you
a
got some
tier.
pick.
You want to work our way up, Mastiff?
Sure.
Do that. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, Sorry, tier 4, Tiggly.
Okay, ready.
3, 2, 1, battle.
You
I'll
know
head
to
your
get
way.
right the gold mastery. It's a rolling medium, right?
For, yeah.
I'm guessing.
Yep.
It's like in the last 7 days, but I presume obviously it's
Yep.
like a rolling medium of some sort.
Yep. Just taking pop shots at everybody over there?
I've gotten one shot in and they're connected, but then they'll.
No, my backup is YOLOing, so.
I forget how long it takes for the shell to travel there.
Hey, quick question.
Yep.
What's the best spot for a TD on canals?
I have no idea.
Yeah, it's a tough one.
I
I need some help down here because this T-82 keeps getting in my way. And he got himself nearly killed for it.
Yeah, I think I might have found something.
Aw, massive, and it's just us again.
Well, I've done nothing as well. Yeah, sorry, man. They seem to be rather not having a lucky job. Nice move, actually.
I do what I can sometimes.
Bruises are coming on you.
Yep. Oh, what was that? Auto aim fail?
Hey, what are my chances I'm facing a tier 8 heavy, a tier 8 tank destroyer, a bunch of tier 7s, and essentially it's 5v1. And I'm in a tier 7.
I'd say they're rather distant.
Yeah, I'm thinking so too. T-32's on me. Titan member.
What is with my gun?
Impressive, actually.
It's just a T-46's pen is just way too much.
That's why I do not play A32.
Yeah. Oh.
Or do you want to go straight to 5?
What? We can. Tier 5 it is. In 3, 2, 1, battle. It's kind of quiet on here tonight.
Yeah, there hasn't been that many people around. I think Poppy said it was busier earlier.
Yeah, it was busy last night too, so at some point you gotta take the night off.
Yeah, it's getting busier more than normal, which is, so in general, I would say.
Watch out, you're gonna get shot from the side in a second. They're pushing bridge hard, so. Uh-oh, what do we got? Got a Cromwell back here.
I hate it when they hit my tracks. Now I'm so slow. I carry 2 repair kits in this thing.
Nope, don't block my shot.
Hmm.
Ouch. You get a shot on that M6, he's about dead. What we got? Dang it. Mastiff,
What?
you let a Sue in.
We let it in. I just like ended open the door for it.
Whoa, no thank you, Auto. Alright, you get to carry this one now.
Yeah.
And at low tier.
Oh no.
Exactly.
How am I supposed to deal with that?
Get on. If you had time, get beside him.
Yeah, but
Yeah, when that Sue came in, he lit me on fire. And there that went.
User disconnected from your channel.
oh, we're taking a hammering.
What?
Been taking a hammer.